Hello, students. Hope you all are doing well. This is Parul Sharma, your English teacher. Today, we will do lesson number 1 of your English language book, that is Fun with Grammar. So, let's start with the lesson number 1, the sentence. So, today we'll learn what is a sentence and what are the kinds of sentence. Students, a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Like a group of students is called a class. A group of students make class. Same as group of words make sentence. But it should be sensible or meaningful. And a sentence should also have a verb. A verb means the work we are doing, action words, we can say. For example, if I'll say, have homework, I might finished. Does it make any sense? No, because it is not a sensible or meaningful sentence. So it is not correct. But if I'll say this sentence as I have finished my work, so now it is a meaningful sentence and a sensible. So the sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. And I would like to read few examples before you. Some of the examples are Vineet is a good singer. Why were you absent yesterday? What a pleasant day it is. So these all are the example of different kinds of sentences. Just observe these sentences once again. These all are sentences start with a capital letter and end with a full stop, question mark, or an exclamation sign. So it means that a sentence always starts with a capital letter or ends with a full stop, question mark, or an exclamation sign. So, what is the sentence, students? Yes, sentence is a group of words. Second, it makes a complete sense and it starts with a capital letter and end with a full stop, question mark, or an exclamation sign. And a sentence should also have a verb. So students, now you know what is a sentence. So let's discuss its kinds. There are 4 kinds of sentences. First is declarative sentence. You can say it assertive sentence also. Second is imperative sentences. Third, interrogative sentences. And last, fourth one, exclamatory sentences. First is declarative sentence. What is declarative sentence? Declarative sentences are used to say or state something. It tells us a statement or an information. It means that, as it is clear with the name, declarative means to declare something, to tell something. Declarative sentences gives us some information, some knowledge, and a statement. For example, Ashoka was a great ruler. This sentence is giving us some information. Same as Sachin is a good batsman. So this is a declarative sentences. Declarative sentences always end with a full stop. Next is imperative sentence. Imperative sentences are used to give command, request, or an advice. Imperative means to give a command or a request or an advice. Command like if I'll say you open your book at page number 10. So you all will start opening your book at the page number 10. It's my command. You have to follow. So this command is an example of imperative sentence. Request like, please give me a glass of water. So this is a request. Advice. When we give advice to someone like you should eat healthy food to stay healthy. So these are the examples of imperative sentences. Next is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences which ask questions are called interrogative sentences. Interrogative means which is used to ask a question. And one more identification you should know, like the sentence which ends with a question mark is called an interrogative sentence. For example, did you finish your homework? When will you go to the market? These are the example of interrogative sentences. And just reminded, interrogative sentence always end with a question mark. Now the last one is exclamatory sentences. As it is clear with the name exclamatory, that means a sign of exclamation at the end. Sentences which express some strong or sudden feelings are called exclamatory sentences. Sudden feelings like feeling of sadness, anger, happiness. So these things include in exclamatory sentences. For example, if you spend a day with your friends, very well spend a day with your friends, and you have to make a statement, so you will say, what a pleasant day it was. Like you are enjoying your trip and you have to make an exclamatory sentence, so you have to say how exciting the trip was. So these are the examples of exclamatory sentences. And what I have told you earlier also, it always ends with an exclamation mark. Now let's have a quick recap. What is a sentence? A group of words that make the complete sense. And how many kinds of sentences? 4 kinds of sentences. And 4 kinds of sentences: declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. Declarative means a statement, to say something. Imperative means to give a command, to make a request or an order or advice. Interrogative means used to ask a question. Exclamatory means to express some feelings, some strong feelings. So now let me ask you few questions related to this. The first question is, I make statement. Now tell the kind of sentence. Which sentence is used to make statement? Yes, it's declarative sentences. Next is, I request, advise or order. What kind of sentence it is? It is a example of an imperative sentence. Very nice. And the last question is, I used to ask a question. Which kind of sentence used to ask a question? Yes, interrogative sentences. Hope you all have understood the chapter. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.